Sports Classic Sports Car, I'm Thompson Smith. Today we've got a lovely Volvo C70 to offer. It's a 2 litre D4 fitted with a more powerful 5-cylinder diesel engine, 177 brake horsepower. It's a low mileage car. It's an SE LUX and it's got some nice options, and it's finished in a lovely combination of Twilight Bronze metallic with dark cappuccino leather upholstery. So 2 previous keepers, full service history with 10 Volvo stamps in the service book. Last service less than 2,000 miles ago in March 2022. As we look around the car, the quality just oozes off. The paintwork is in lovely condition. There are no chips and no scratches to call. The engine's running. It's a lovely car, very classic combination for the type of person most suited to this car. So lovely specification, being an SE LUX. We've got Xenon headlamps, front fog lights, front and rear park sensors. It's got these 18-inch wheels which are virtually unmarked all the way around. All the tyres are good Michelin's. We've got sat nav, twin tailpipes there. It's automatic transmission, it's a Geartronic version. It's just beautiful. So inside is a lovely place to be. We've got this soft leather, being a facelift model, the trim changed quite significantly. We've got this dark Mocca trim with cappuccino stitching to the soft leather. Look at the condition of the seats. The car's only done 35,000 miles. The seats are virtually unmarked. Memory seats to the front. Got folding mirrors, 4 electric windows, Volvo premium sound system, the blind spot monitors there, cruise control, trip computer, keyless entry and keyless start, premium sound system, sat nav, iPower sound system, and there's the controls for the electric roof, automatic transmission obviously. But the condition is as nice as it gets. The only marks, if I was going to be very critical, just an odd little mark just down there where someone's had a ring. Okay, in the back, just the same. Looks like it's never been sat in. In the boot, obviously the soft top's down at the moment. We'll pull the soft top up in a moment. We've got a spare wheel underneath. There is also a windbreak option on the car. We'll pop the roof up for you now to show you what it's like with the roof up. All year motor in this car. Foot on the brake. Superb colour combination, this car. 35,000 miles, fabulous service history. Must be the best car available, without a doubt. Okay, we're just finding the right buttons for the roof. So there we are, all working properly. Obviously the roof condition, not so much to worry about like there is with a soft top. Looks as good as a coupe as a convertible. So if you are interested, please give us a call on 01507 606 725 or 602222. We do offer a delivery service. We do offer part exchange and finance is available. So thanks for looking so far. We'll just take you down the road in the car in a moment. Thank you. Okay, we'll just take you for a quick buzz up the road in this lovely C70 Volvo. So obviously such a low mileage car with fabulous Volvo service history. There'll be no issues to report. It'll drive as good as it looks. So the interior is a nice place to be. Sat nav, iPower stereo speakers, automatic transmission, this lovely soft Mocca coloured leather with cappuccino stitching. Smooth diesel 5-cylinder engine, plenty of punch. We'll give it some acceleration just from the next roundabout, show you just how well it goes. So everything feels good on the car, it feels nice and tight, driving's dead straight ahead. So we're a proper 4-seater convertible there. The rear seats look like they've never been sat in. It's got a windbreak as well supplied with the car, just for the 2 people to use, because you lose the back seats with that. So being the SE LUX model, it's a nice trim level, cruise control, trip computer. So just as we accelerate out of the roundabout there, you'll see just how well and it is off the mark, very brisk, nice smooth car. So if you are interested, please give us a call, 01507 606 725, or visit the website wolfsideclassics.co.uk. Thanks for looking.